Y'all can't even see me. Y'all can't even see me. This is crazy, y'all. This is freaking crazy. I love my life. Like, what has this come to? Let's unbox my PR. Hey guys, welcome to my first PR unboxing haul. For everyone new here, hey, my name is Nioby Monroe, and for all of my girlies returning, hey girl, I'm so excited for today's video. This is the first ever series that I'm starting on YouTube in 2026. Make sure you guys comment down below if you love this unboxing haul. So the amount of PR that you see right here in front of me has been PR that I've accumulated in the past, I want to say 2.5 to 3 weeks. And I didn't want to wait any longer because I've been so excited to film this video for you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. As soon as you subscribe to the channel down below, follow me on my social media. I literally remember when I first told myself I wanted to be a creator. And look at where we're at. When you focus on what you want in life and work hard for what you want and pray about it every day and ask God for it and thank God for it before you even see any outcome, He will always deliver. Okay, starting off with this first package here. Who's this from? YSL. They sent me their Make Me Blush palette. This is so cute. I am a blush girly at heart. I'm sorry, but why are we wearing makeup without blush? Like, what are we doing? They also gave me a plumping lip oil gloss. I actually am wearing one right now. They don't leave a weird residue, which I really appreciate. On to package number 2. I could do this every day. This is Tattersall Functional. Functionally different beverages. Let's open them up because I've actually never heard of them. I was not expecting this to be the packaging at all. This is so pretty. It's a tonic, a THC tonic. One is to unwind and one is to uplift. You know what's very interesting? Lately, I have been saying that I actually want to start experimenting with like CBD products, just to like really cope with like my anxiety. I do struggle with anxiety like real bad. My nervous system is off from time to time. And girl, all the girls know what I'm talking about. When your nervous system is off, you just like do not feel like yourself. You just want to be in the house all day. You don't want to just participate in anything. I would have never thought that in my creator journey I was gonna be like a wellness girl, but honestly, naturally it makes sense because I live such a healthy lifestyle. I love being healthy. All right guys, I had to move the camera over just a tad. Feel like the angle might be better over here from my YouTubers. Yeah, this is the content creator life. You just don't know what you're doing until you figure it out, and that's just how life is. Let's move on to our third package. This is by Dozy, 7-Day Pill Compact. So you can organize your supplements. Girl, I have like 20 supplements and I don't take them every day, but like I forget which ones I take on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This is by Monday Surf and it is a skincare brand. I have their Vitamin Body Bright Serum Lotion. This is the Glow Cream Scrub. I love a good scrub. I'm the queen of scrubs. Like for no reason, I will have like 3 to 4 different scrubs all open because I just feel like every day you can smell like something different. Coffee is my favorite scent because I love the smell of coffee. Unpopular opinion, I know, because a lot of y'all do not like that. And then I really love the smell of like vanilla and lavender. I have definitely been diving into body care this year. Ooh, what do we have here? Love a filled box. Before I even open the package, shout out to the brands who fill it to the brim. JK guys, I don't know if you guys can see it because they're not launching this until spring 2026. Okay, unfortunately, I cannot show you guys what's in this box. And this is a really big brand. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I don't even want to try them, and nor do I want to. This one here is by TYMO. They are a hair styling brand, and they sent me their hair straightening home. I actually love their hair straightener. I have like the pink one and I really love it. Next, I got another one from TYMO. I'm not opening these because you can already see what they look like outside the box. A wave curling iron. Ooh. This isn't the one I have used yet. Obviously it's brand new. I use a different brand. So I'm excited to try it out with the TYMO. Next up, I have Tone by AMP. They were the first brand that I was able to use their deodorant with no aluminum, and it actually worked. Because you know how a lot of times deodorants with no aluminum still kind of make you smell. And then they also did send me a hydrating body wash and an on-the-go cologne. I don't know what I'd use that for. Probably like to make my car smell nice. Let's open this one up. Ooh. This is Grunge Nutrition, and these are their immune gummies, or 13-in-1 immunity gummies, and the flavor is sour pineapple. Should we try them together? Look at how many are in the bag. That's insane. They contain vitamin C, vitamin D3, zinc, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, prebiotic fiber, ashwagandha, elderberry, holy basil, turmeric, MCT oil, ginger root, and black pepper. These are really good. This one is the Abira Hair, Beard, and Eyebrow Serum. Oh, wow. I love the packaging. They gave me an eye mask and they sent me a scrunchie. I love scrunchies. They also sent me a dream lip mask in the scent passion fruit, which is awesome because I have not had a lip mask in a while. I'm excited. I will be applying this tonight. A big thank you to Osea for all of the goodies. We have a fashion package. I love fashion. Shout out to the people who send me PR who are fashion brands. This is an African-owned brand. It's called Nioby Studios. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Please do not get mad at me. I feel leather. We love a leather look. Ooh, we have a leather dress. This is hot. Hot, hot, hot. We have a box from Fittery. They are ready for spring/summer. We have some huaraches, aka sandals. I don't think I've ever gotten shoes in PR, so this is the very first time. Girl, this is... They wanted to make sure I got the package. Ooh. Did we just get another lip product? What is this? I just love the direction that they're taking with CoverGirl. It's just so like youthful and playful. That's so playful. I'm like, that's me. That's me all the way. I'm just a playful girly. So these are lip butter balms. I already saw a scent that I know I'm gonna be obsessed with, and that is their toasted vanilla marshmallow. That's basically me. I am a toasted vanilla marshmallow. Also have peach gummies. They have lip butter balm, and they also have raspberry twist. Oh my god, it smells so good. So unpopular opinion, because you guys know I love my unpopular opinions, but I am obsessed with s'mores. Like when you guys do the little like TikToks about like the best desserts and like which ones you would have over the other ones, you guys always be doing my s'mores dirty. I love s'mores. I will pick s'mores over a cheesecake, over a chocolate cake, over whatever, flan, whatever. I love the simplicity of a s'more. Like, it's just so good. I'm a texture girly, so I love the texture of the graham cracker. And then I really love the squishiness and the roasted marshmallow part. Ugh, good. It's so good. It's so freaking good. Comment down below, chat. Do you guys love s'mores? Because I just went into detail. I love s'mores. I have the Roz Milk Hair Serum. And then I also have the Roz Styling Oil. This is what they look like. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so much stuff on my counter right now. I'm gonna move everything over. They did it again. I cannot show you guys this one either. This one's by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I cannot show you guys what is in this box. I also got the Inia Flare. This is like a skincare device. This is what it looks like. It's for your pores. It helps lift, tighten, and you can infuse serums into your skin. We are down to our last 2 packages. I am such a girly girl. I think this is so cute. Who's this by? The Tool Lab. They sent their face mask. All right, before the camera cut off, I have literally just opened up these setting puffs. It's like a mini, makeup brush. This is really cute. I saved this one for last because it's big. You know, like, that means that there are some amazing goodies in this box. Or so I hope. This is by Akira, by the way. Oh my goodness. Wow, they sent me a lot of stuff. Let's open this one up first. We love a good handbag. I certainly do, and I do really like the material too. We have another bag. This is so playful. Oh my goodness, I'm excited for the spring and the summer. This is a very large bag. Ooh, okay. That's a moment for sure. It sounds like the beach. You know when you're like laying on the beach and it gets a little windy and you just hear in the palm trees. You guys want me to do like a separate video on these goodies that I got from Akira so we can really break each one down? Comment down below because I can definitely do that. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. This is so precious. This is definitely me. All the way. This right here, this is me. I have worked with Akira already several times and they've been nothing but so kind, so open, so generous of just everything. Like every time I work with them, every time I go check out their shops, it's just like a great experience. I have a ball in Akira every time I go. Next up we have, it's like clothing or a scarf. What is this? Okay, I think it's a dress. Oh, how pretty. It's a dress. Let's see what is in here. Now this is so different. This is cute. This is really cute. Now this is completely out of my comfort zone. I kind of like it. I kind of really like it. Like I would have never expected something like this in my wardrobe. But it's like really cute. Like I can't wait to style it and just make it me. Okay, it looks like this is the last piece. Oh, it's a dress, guys. Oh guys, my dad is calling me. Dad, say hi to my YouTubies.
How y'all doing, YouTubies?
Dad, did you see that picture I sent you of all the PR I got?
Yeah, I saw that. Anything good for me? Any face cream or anything a man can use for his face?
I actually got beard oil, hair, beard, and eyebrow serum.
Yeah, he's gonna turn my hair back from gray to black.
Hopefully. Do you see this? Look, I've been opening up all my stuff.
I don't see that. Oh, anything nice?
Oh my god, yes, so many nice things. This one, it's a bag, look.
That's a bag?
This is a bag. Yeah, you can put your stuff in it.
Oh my God.
Look at this one.
Yeah. What's this a bag? Oh man, they really did you all that?
Isn't that cool? It's so long. Yeah, I feel like once I put this on, it'll make sense. But I do really like the movement. I think that's fun. That's ooh.
Yeah, it's a short dress too.
This is pretty. I feel like I have to get this stuff tailored because my waist area has to be cinched in.
Yeah, cause you about a 0, right?
No, I'm a 4, Dad.
You look like a 0.
Dad, I'm gonna call you later because I have to close out on my YouTube. And I'm streaming right now live, so I'll call you later. All right, bye, love you. All right, guys, we called my dad and he gave us his 2 cents, which he loves to give. I hope you guys enjoyed this first unboxing with me. I had a blast. I'm super excited to try out each and everything here on my counter and on my chairs and in my sink because some stuff filled my sink. And yes, I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful. A big thank you to all of the amazing brands that sent me all of this stuff. I'm just so grateful. I prayed for this. Hope you guys love this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.